Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. When I wanted to take IELTS exam, I was really very confused which one to take, IELTS Academics or IELTS UKVI. So I wanted to apply in Ireland as well as in UK. So that's why I was really confused, because if I wanted to apply only in UK, probably I would have gone with IELTS UKVI. So if you are also someone who is confused and who wants to apply in different countries and UK is one of the options, so probably you might also be confused between these two. So that's exactly what I will try to clear in this video. I tried to talk to so many people, and based on that I clarified my confusion, and that's why I hope this video will help you. So with that being said, let's start our discussion. But as always, if you are new here or if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And if you have anything specific, you can always ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you, and I try to elaborate my answers to the best of my knowledge so that you can know what are my thinking process. So yeah, with that being said, let's start our discussion. So first, let's talk about what are the similarities between these two. So in terms of marking scheme or difficulty level, everything is same, totally identical in terms of syllabus, if you want to call it syllabus, content. So everything is same, marking will be same, difficulty level will be same, so everything is same. Now let's talk about some of the differences. So the difference which I noticed in the very first place is when I went to the IELTS UKVI tab, and I was looking for the centers and I wanted to book some appointment for that. I couldn't find computer based test, and then I talked to some people. They also confirmed that yes, there aren't any computer based tests for UKVI, but for IELTS academics you have option for both. If you want to go for paper based test, you can go for that. If you want to go for computer based test, you can go for that as well. So in IELTS academics you have both the options, but in IELTS UKVI you have only option of paper based exam. IELTS UKVI will be a little bit on a stricter side in terms of invigilation. There will be more invigilators, and there will be more cameras, and it is more secured, and there are even fewer centers for UKVI. So that is the difference between these two. Now let's talk about who should take which one. So if you are someone who is very confident that you will get a required band for your course, so let's suppose 6.5 is your required band for your course. So if you are very much confident that you will get 6.5 or more, you can go for IELTS academics and you will be just fine. So it is accepted in all the countries and also in UK. But maybe there are some universities who will ask you to go for IELTS UKVI, so you need to first check on your university's page. So if your university is asking you to go for UKVI, you have to go for UKVI IELTS. But if there isn't any requirement for that, you can always go for IELTS academics. But if you are someone who is not very confident that you will get the required bands, then probably you should go with UKVI IELTS, because if you get lesser band, let's say your university wants you to have 6.5 but you got 5.5 or maybe even less, with UKVI you can go for pre-session or foundation courses for English, and after completing those courses you can go for your masters or bachelors, whatever you want to do. But IELTS academics is not taken in that case. It is mainly for visa purpose, so that is the thing. And also I think I mentioned that UKVI is only valid in UK, and IELTS academics is valid throughout the world. I think these are the things which you probably need to know. And if you are still confused and if you want to know something specific, you can always ask me in the comment section. And if you are into data science, you can download data science notes, link is in the description. And also you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Again, link is in the description, and you can join our Telegram group also. There we discuss about multiple things related to data science. So if that is your thing, you can always join our Telegram group. We have a very good community there. They try to help each other, and you can always subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.